Hi guys! Welcome back sa ating channel, and for this video ay isi-share namin ang experience and yung process kung paano ba magbalik ng IKEA product. IKEA is widely known for their 365 days return policy. Whether you bought the wrong item, bought the wrong size, or you just simply changed your mind, IKEA got your back. I'll share yung link ng return policy nila in the video description below, pero basically, as long as it does not fall sa mga products na excluded in their list katulad ng food, custom cut fabrics, or electrical components, they will accept the product as long as the product packaging is still complete and nasa inyo pa ang copy ng resibo. In our case, we have some issue with the product design kasi hindi pala siya stackable. Kaya we would like to return it or exchange it with different product. Walang packaging yung binili namin pero it does come with a sticker of the product name and description na natanggal na namin. The process is simple and straightforward. You just need to go to their customer service area sa dulo ng third level kung nasaan ang kanilang cafe and checkout counters. First step is to scan the QR code to get your queuing number and fill up the form. Just enter your name and your IKEA family number kung meron kayong membership sa IKEA or leave it blank kung wala pa. Next is to simply wait sa lobby area ng kanilang customer service until your number is called. Hindi naman matagal yung waiting time nung pumunta kami, plus you won't get bored staying at their lobby kasi it is very comfortable and meron din play area kung meron kayong kasamang mga kids. When it's your turn, ay punta lang kayo sa designated counter and i-hand over nyo lang ang product na plan nyong ibalik. They will inspect the product and its packaging. In our case nga ay hinanap nila yung sticker na dapat ay nakakadikit pa sa product which is part ng kanyang original packaging. Medyo forgiving naman sila lalo na kung first time nyo palang magbabalik ng IKEA product, pero i-make sure nyo na din na kumpleto ang packaging ng inyong product for a more seamless transaction. After nila i-inspect ang product, ay bibigyan nila kayo ng gift card that contains the amount ng product na binalik nyo. Bale, store credit ang default return option nila, pero according sa return policy nila ay they can also refund the amount sa original payment method na ginamit nyo. Syempre, we are planning to use the gift card today kaya pumasok na rin kami sa loob ng IKEA. Yun nga lang, mas malaki pa din yung nagastos namin kaysa sa binalik naming product. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know sa comments down below. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you on the next one.